All right, guys. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and log into the back office of one of my income streams, one of my many online income streams. And the reason why I'm going to do this, I never do this, but the reason why I'm going to do this is because this is a new offer that I'm promoting out of all of my digital income streams that I wanted to introduce some of you guys to. And it's called Legendary Marketer, right? Now, basically, once I log in, just to show you that it's actually live, right? I'm gonna go to my business, and I'm gonna go to stats, and then I'm going to go to, once it loads, commissions. And in my commissions, let's just look at the current stats really quick. Today's earnings, $1,000 today. Yesterday was a little bit of a slow day. It was $54, and the last 7 days were $1,215.40. The last 8 to 9 days was roughly about $2,000, right? And over the last how do you say, the last 30 days was 4,400, right? And I've made $6,500 with this offer so far. But let me go and break some of these things down for you, right? The first thing, now first thing is that I'm making on average about $1,000 per week with this offer because I've been promoting this less than 2 months, right? So I'm making about roughly about $1,200 per week with this offer. So this last 7 days is about average, right? About $1,200 per week. And if you stick with me through this whole video, I'm going to go ahead and break down actually how I do this, right? So first and foremost, secondly, if you guys do want to actually get access to this, I'll give you guys the direct link. I'm not going to ask for your email. I'm not going to do anything of that nature. I'll literally give you access to the direct link to join my team down below. It'll be the first link that you guys get access to. Grab access to it. First and foremost, let me go and break some of this stuff down to you, right? Now, if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, I am a digital marketer, affiliate marketer, right? This is one of many affiliate marketing offers that I do promote. I have literally probably double digits in income streams when it comes online, and I travel full time because of my profits online, right? Now, some things to break down, right? I'm making about $1,200 per week with this offer, right? I have multiple income streams, and I just started promoting this offer. But what is so important, right, is that I'm making $1,200 per week, and I've only been doing free traffic strategies with this offer. Now, with that being said, this is pure profit, $6,500 pure profit, to where I haven't even scaled this business. And what I mean by that, if you know how affiliate marketing works or online marketing works, what happens is once you know your numbers, right, you can go ahead and scale your business. Now, just to kind of give you guys a breakdown really quick, right? Calculator. So, right now I'm at about 6,500 with about, and this is not even right, it's about 36 members divided by 36, right? My average, so what that means, each member is worth about $180 to me, right? Now, just to break down to you guys, and then I'm going to break down how I did this, right? The reason why I haven't done any paid traffic for this offer yet is because I wanted to figure out my numbers, right? So I wanted to drive traffic, right, with free traffic strategies, and I'm going to break down the strategies in a second, right? But I wanted to go ahead and break down to know these numbers. What a lot of people do sometimes is they jump into an offer, right, and they don't know this number right here, LTV, long-term value. So each time I get a sign up, my sign up is worth $180. That's a very important factor to me because now that I know this number, I can start doing paid advertisement. Meaning if I get members for, let's just say, $50 to $100, that means, or even this, let's just say if I get them a member, any member below $90, meaning if I pay $90, let's just say 50 cents per click, so I pay for 180 clicks and I get for $90 and I get one sign up. What that means is that I'm going to go ahead and acquire a customer for 90 bucks, but on average they pay out 180 bucks. So for every dollar I spend, I'm going to gain $2. So what that means is if I literally completely redump this this money back, right? This money, which is literally like maybe 6 weeks, 5 weeks. So 6,500 in 6 weeks. If I redump that with the current formula and I acquire a customer for $90, that means if I dump 6,500, sorry for the writing ahead of time, that means in revenue, I'm going to gain $13,000. That's just how the math works, guys, right? Because I know that every time I get a member, they're worth a certain amount of money. So with that being said, I wanted to learn this number first. And now that I know this number, and that's why I'm showing you guys, because I had $1,000 a day, the $1,000 a day simply puts me in the position to where I know roughly how much a customer is worth to me, right? Now with that being said, moving forward, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually scale this business. But what you're interested is learning how I actually did this for free, right? And I'm going to break that down to you, right? Now, it's a very simple process, guys, and just kind of explain to you how this works with affiliate marketing, right? And I'm going to actually show you real things that I'm doing. First and foremost, I'm doing attraction marketing because, and I'm not going to say it's going to be the easiest thing for the beginner, but it is doable, right? But what I do is I simply set up these little sales processes called sales funnels, right? And basically what I do is I give something to somebody for free, right? And in exchange for that free thing, right, there's this little headline. I say, hey, you want this free thing? And it's congruent with the specific audience. And then once, in exchange for that free thing, what I'm asking for is an email, right? Now, what I'm doing is I'm asking for an email, and basically on the next page, let's just make this even simpler, right? Mine's a little bit complex, so I'm a little bit more advanced in this, but let's just say on the next page, I'm going to go ahead and give them access to my sales video for my affiliate marketing offer, right? So here's the actual video. And what's going to happen is what most people do is affiliate marketers, they send people to this page. No, I want to send them to a capture page. I'm going to capture the email. Once I capture the email, I'm going to send them to my sales page, right? Now, what I'm doing is once these people, whether they buy or they don't, right, in this specific offer, and I'm going to be very transparent with you, it's an $18 startup, right? Now you're probably thinking, to how the hell do you make $180 per customer if it's only $18 per startup, right? Now, guys, the whole logic behind getting these emails is because when I get these emails, I can follow up, right? Now, just to show you my email list, right now my email list is currently at 9,124, and I have 44 subscribers today, free traffic strategies. Subscribers yesterday, 226, right? And basically, with these subscribers, hold on, let me go back. Right, with these email subscribers, I'm refollowing up. So I'm doing a series of emails, right? My emails are value and then pitch, right? So the value emails that I'm sending to my list is simply redirecting them to a lot of my YouTube content or any other valuable posts, right? To build a relationship with that list. And what happens is once you build a relationship with your list over time, they know, like, and trust you to where those people who are a little bit skeptical at front, right, who didn't buy the first time they laid eyes on my offer, what happens is because I've been sending emails after email after email after email, and then value, and then once I might say, hey, check out this offer, what's going to happen is these people are going to be more inclined to buy because I've been building a relationship with them for a long period of time, right? Now, with that being said, this is how I make money with this business model, right? Now, what happens is it's called the Ascendant model, and this is the best model for affiliate marketing. Why? Because this is the only type of offers, I guarantee you guys, you're not going to be able to run paid ads for Amazon associates. Now, if anybody, I'd love to see somebody successfully do that. And the reason why is because they don't have the profit margins, right? Now, here's the thing. This is what the Ascendant model is. And I'll explain to you why this is the best business model for affiliate marketing, right? And why right now, for free, I'm making $4,000. And once I start to scale it, I'm going to scale this specific offer for over $10,000 a month, then $20,000, then $30,000, and so on, right? But I just started promoting it. I wanted to figure out the numbers. Now I'm going to actually run paid advertisement, right? Now this is how you scale this. But the first Sell is a low ticket offer. I don't know what's wrong with my mouse right now. I apologize ahead of time, but it's $18, right? Now the next one is this traffic Rolodex thing. I don't even remember what the commission payout is, but I believe it's $48, right? Then the next one is for them to upgrade for the annual for 147, which they pay a 60% commission on that, which is I believe about $80, right? So basically, now the high ticket stuff starts to come into play, right? And I'm going to be very transparent with you. Like, you don't have to buy these products, but these products might be beneficial for you, right? So some of these products, one is the builder, which is $1,000 commission. So that's what I earned today, right? $1,000 in commission. And another one is 3,200, right? So these are the commission payouts for this company. I know you can barely see this, but you're going to understand it in a second. So, right, basically, if you buy into one of these higher tickets, right, it's like 2,500, then 8,000, then 16,000. Now it seems like a lot, but guys, what you're getting for this, for these investments is worthwhile, right? I've personally invested over $20,000 in my marketing education, and I'm continuing to. So what you get is like mastermind events and everything of this nature. You get to connect with other people. You get to learn from the best of the best, right? And what happens is, as the best way to explain the Ascendant model is to go to iPhone product lineup. So image. So guys, all right, so this isn't what I was looking for, but basically with Apple, what they have is they introduce you with like the iPod, and then you have the iPhone, and then you have the Mac Air or the iPad, and then you have the MacBook Pro. Anybody who's familiar with that, right? So basically, this is the same process, right? Not everybody's going to be able to afford to make an $8,000 purchase, right? So they still give some great training for that $30 per month, right? So that's where the first front end starts, to where it's only $18. And then as people purchase up along, right, what happens is one guy might purchase this, one guy might purchase this, to where at the end of the day, on average right now, every time I get a sign up, yeah, I might get a sign up for $18 in commissions, but I know on average, right, for each sign up, they're going to climb up this ladder, and on average right now, I'm earning $180 per customer. Now, what that allows you to do is that simply allows you to literally like start doing paid traffic, right? So now that I know that this is profitable, and just to show you guys, right, and to get traffic to these sales funnels, which they're getting on my email list, and here's just an example of one of my most recent broadcasts. Show more. And this was, so here's my value emails, which don't get too many opens, right? But here is, wow, that's crazy. I don't know how the hell I got so many freaking opens on this one, but 13%, that's savage. But this one right here is 7.9% open, and this was a pitch email, right? Now, believe it or not, this sale that I got, or where are we at? All over the place. This one, $1,000, right? This was actually an email broadcast. So I sent an email out to, when I was driving traffic, right, to my list. I sent an email like this one, and basically follow up, the fortunes in the follow up, because I'm sending stuff like this, which is pure value, and then a pitch email. Once they actually open it up and they make that purchase, right, they know, like, and trust me, right? So they're willing to invest into the higher ticket items. So guys, in this legendary marketer group, there's 13,000 members. You can literally scroll down, and there's people who have results that you can leverage their results, right? So let me see if I can find one, because there's all. So here's one right here, right? So this guy's $6,400 in commissions, right? I'm actually gonna swipe this, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and leverage his results. I'm going to put on my story showing somebody else getting results within my business, right? So it doesn't have to be me being results. You can leverage other people's results until you get results. You can leverage my results. You can show people this video saying, hey, look, I'm not where I want to be yet, but look at this guy making all this money with this freaking offer, right? And this is all for free. That's what I want you to understand is I'm making $1,000 per week on one income stream for freaking free. And the way I'm doing this, by setting up these little sales funnels, having an email follow-up on the back end, and then literally just driving traffic with my social media. Imagine making $1,000 a week with your social media, and imagine being able to travel freaking anywhere in the world, right? So $1,000 today, $54 yesterday, $1,200 this week, about averages about $1,200 per week. Now that I know my numbers, I just broke those down to you. I'm going to go ahead and scale this. So I'm going to start doing paid advertisement like solo ads. I'm going to start doing Facebook ads. Because I do paid advertisement on other offers, but I'm going to do paid advertisement now that I know my numbers on this offer, right? So with that being said, my friend, that's literally how at this current moment, and this is income proof, I logged into my back office. A lot of people lie about the results. No reason to lie. To be honest with you, this is kind of minuscule profits in comparison to what I've made in the past and to what I'm going to scale this business to. So that's $4,438.28 in the last 30 days, and it's actually less than that, right? And literally in about 5 to 6 weeks, I've made $6,500. What would you do making an extra $1,000 a week? Now, as stated before, there's a link below. You're not going to have to add your email or anything of that nature. I'm literally going to give you direct access to sign up under myself. And if you show that you sign up under myself and you decide to take this serious and actually invest into this video, mark me for my words. Reach out to me. I'll share my sales funnels with you. I'll share my follow-up series with you. I'll literally share everything I'm using to profit within this business, and I'll mentor you personally. So that way, I know a lot of people investing into this company, and they really don't have the mentorship or the guidance, right? That's one step. I've been in this industry for a while now to where I know how to actually leverage these type of offers. However, if you don't, join below by clicking the link, the direct link for a legendary market. You can get access to it below. Join my team, and I will help you personally and give you all the tools and the resources that you need.